Welcome, in front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A52s, and today I'll show you how to enable and set up the portable hotspot. So to get started, find the toggle, which for me is right over here in your notification panel. And once you find it, you want to hold it the first time around, which will quickly take you to the settings. So right here, select configure and start off by changing the password, which is randomly generated, so not very good. I'm going to remove this one and set my own. Now it does need to have 8 characters in length, at which point you will be able to save it. Now additionally, you can also change the network name in here if you want to. By default, it's always going to have the name of the device. As you can see, it's a little bit longer with some numbers in here for ED0. So if you want, you can remove this or keep it as it is. It really doesn't matter, as long as you remember that the Wi-Fi that you will be looking for will be by this name right here. And lastly, if you scroll down, you'll have the AP band, which we have a choice between 2.4 or 5 GHz. Now generally 5 GHz will be better, faster, more stable of a connection, while 2.4 will be used by basically every device. So if you're not sure what kind of Wi-Fi your current device that you're going to try to connect with supports, simply turn it on at 5 GHz. If said device just simply doesn't see that hotspot that you created with this device, when it's set to 5 GHz, that means that it just doesn't support it. And all you need to do is go back in here and change it back to 2.4. So anyway, once you set it all up the way you want it, select save, and now you can simply turn it on by tapping on the toggle. As long as you have a SIM card, which I don't. So normally you would just toggle it on, it would turn on, and you should be golden. But because I don't have a SIM card, I kinda can't. But tap on the toggle to turn it on, tap on it again to turn it off, and that's basically as complex as it gets. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.